the champion squad?
What's good?
What's up to the champion squad?
What's good?
What's up to the champion squad? What's up, guys? We're back. We're back with another mukbang.
Mukbang in the building.
Yes. Today we eating Burger King.
Burger King.
Yes. So we ain't gonna prolong, y'all. We're just gonna get into it because I'm hungry. Point blank. Want that?
Aliens on that?
Yes, they want no fries. So I got the double whopper with onions. I hope they put extra onions on there. Yeah. Delish. Good old ginger ale right here in my cup. It's frozen. Woo! Ah!
Well, the onions they off the train. I love them.
I like it with the zesty sauce too. You haven't tried the zesty sauce yet, have you? Gonna try this time.
Good.
It's just good. I can't really say what it tastes like, but it's good. Seriously. Dip. Oh, see that? This is my first time trying a double whopper. I've never had a double whopper. I've just had a regular whopper.
I had it back in my day.
First time for me. Let's even get the thumbnail. Anyway. Yes. Put my little trash to the side and get into it. So what you get is zesty sauce. She don't care for it.
It's not just like
I think it got mayonnaise in it.
that sauce on the Big Mac.
Oh. And you don't care for it.
It's better though.
Yeah. Taking off tomatoes off.
Sometimes I don't have to have two. I just need one.
The burger so big, I can't really put two on them. That's why. So what's your favorite thing to get at Burger King? For the majority, I normally just get a Whopper. Yeah. When I was younger, when I had to go to Burger King, because I used to love, I didn't like Burger King too much when I was young. I used to get the chicken sandwich, the long chicken sandwich. Every time I went. Yeah, I didn't never get too much else because told you I'm a chicken fanatic.
Yeah. I'm really good.
Got me a little smacking going on.
That crunch though. My last one. Look like a smiley face.
juice to the side since you're going to discriminate against it. Oh, I see something.
So how y'all days was? It was just one of them days. What? What?
Hold on. I'll be right back.
Okay, I'll be back. Be back. Huh? I'm gonna walk over here dripping.
It would have been like a scene skip.
Hmm?
The scene would have been like that.
Yeah.
Drip, drip. I guess I'm on. I can't know. Yeah, that still ain't been to my brother. I'm about to now. Y'all see it? Oh my god. What the heck? Well, it's juicy. What's up? What's up? See, this knife is because we thought if we had to cut it or something about being so big, but no, we straight over here. We good. We good. I ain't had a Whopper in how long? And this had to be a double Whopper. It's been a good minute. Oh my goodness.
So long.
Finger looking good, y'all. I'm cutting an overpowered mine with lettuce. I usually have a whole bunch of lettuce on it. It's just right. Especially when you get the regular Whopper. Maybe that's what it is. I had to put more meat on it. And you can't put as much lettuce on it. Yep. So, fall kicked in a couple days ago, right? Was it yesterday? The day before yesterday? How y'all feeling about fall? What's your favorite season of the year?
Ain't fall yet?
No, not by the weather, but by the calendar, it's fall. I'm like, wow. I really begin to feel fall in October, like towards Halloween and stuff like that. Because it's when the weather really changed.
Yeah.
Right now. I don't know if I'm ready for this fall and for this winter this year. What about you?
Yeah, I am. It's been too hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh. I heard that baby burp. I keep moving all the napkin. I don't know why I do that.
You like juicy, are you?
Juicy, flavorful, and it came out with flame boiled. Oh my God. And I never was a person really like grilled food like that. I never have, but this. But the flavor just mesh in your mouth. I'm telling y'all. Oh, all together now. Somebody breath on me smelling like straight onions. But you know I gotta have them.
Oh. I hate when food gets stuck in your teeth. When you try to eat.
And then more get powdered now. I'm not playing them out.
Yeah.
We're getting this protein in with all this meat. This is pretty much our first meal of the day. Woo, I'm getting full.
Yep.
But I'm gonna finish this today. If I ain't with warming it back up and doing all that, I can't. This one of these type of burger joint, you can't too quick to do that. Got too much stuff on it for one. Just make a little bit burger, y'all. Tomato not too bad this time. Won't overpower my burger. If it did, I would have been checking my. Smack Get it out.
I got one little lick stuck in my teeth and I can't get it.
My onion. Now my burger gonna fall apart when I get to the end of it. Really? I got a piece left. I was trying to go and get me a piece of burger. Remember that video? Remember that video? Excuse me.
Oh, you can't hit me. That was a bit.
And you still want to fall apart.
I'm gonna try to get hot again.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Excuse me, y'all. Goodness.
I think I'm real sorry for that.
Oh. Juicy something. I guess I'm gonna take the bread off. Eat my meat. My meat. You know I always do that towards the end.
Want my bite?
And she's done. Oh my.
Woo.
Sound effects. And I am done. Well, guys, since we finished all our food, you know, we're gonna about to wrap this thing up. But that was so delicious. I'm telling you. I even got the evidence with the meat left in my darn teeth because I still got some meat stuck in my teeth. Excuse me. That ginger ale get you right, y'all. I'm telling you. But before we get out this thing, please like this video, comment below for future mukbangs you want us to do. Subscribe to our channel. Turn on your post notification. Hit that bell, so you know every time we post a new video. But until our next mukbang, until our next video, we want y'all to be safe. We want y'all to be blessed. We love y'all. Thanks for all support. And we out this thing. Peace.